Ciao Leo, we have some construction vehicles today.
Yeah.
What do you have there?
Mixmasters.
Mixmasters? You have more than one?
No, I have two Mixmasters. One is the G1, one is Combiners Mixmaster.
Oh, and what type of vehicle is that?
This is mixer trucks.
A mixer truck.
Yes, this is so small mixer trucks, and this is big mixer truck.
Why it is called the mixer truck? What does it mix?
Some cement. This is rolling, but this is not. This is big.
What is the cement for?
It's for to build a house.
To build a house. That's why they are called construction workers. And I know that
No,
team...
it's not construction workers. The
No?
construction workers is the persons.
Oh.
The construction vehicles is this one.
Oh, thank you for clarifying that for me. Oh, now you have a different construction vehicle. Who is that?
This one is the G1 Long How.
And what's the other one?
Commanders is name is Long How.
Long How. And what type of vehicle is that?
This is a two dump trucks. One is a small one is a big one. This is cranes. Hook G1. This is hook new. Combiners hook.
And what type of vehicle is that?
This is a crane, and cranes is lifted. You see this?
What is a crane used for?
Crane used for to lift things.
To lift things.
This is going to heavy big things. This is going to heavy small things. This is Scrapper G1.
And who's the other one?
It's the new Scrapper. Next time we're going to transform it. The small ones and the big ones, okay?
Who is that one?
Scavenger, I say it.
Okay, sorry.
And it's going to bring things. Look, it's going to bring things, and it's going to hold it, and it's going to dump it.
Okay, what type of vehicle is that?
It's an excavator. Now I get the small ones on top of the big ones.
But why?
Why? Because it's so funny. The big is under, the small one is over. The big is down, the small one is up. Scavenger, bone crusher, scrapper, long how, hook, Mixmaster. This is all the robot modes.
Wow, I love your robots. So they are not construction vehicle anymore. Now they are robots.
Yeah, and the small ones is really good for me, but the big ones is really good for Poppy. Mixmaster, Scavenger, Long How, Scrapper, Bone Crusher, Hook.
And do you know their names in Italian?
Yeah, Rollo, Braccio, Martino, Ningo, Scudo, Rostro.
Wow, thank you so much. We can combine them together and we form...
Devastator.
Yes. So we have a combined version of the Constructicons. His name is Devastator. He's a big green giant, right? Do you like it?
Yes, but when I'm big, when I'm 4 years old, I go to do all myself.
But why do you have another one now?
This is a G1 Devastator.
It's small.
Because when there's a big one here, Poppy get the small one from there.
Okay, but which one do you like the most?
This one and this one.
You like them both?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
When I big, I want this one.
Oh, you're choosing the G one. That makes me proud. Any final thoughts about Devastator? What you want to say to our friends?
To the next one.